Hello, guys. I hope you all are having a fantastic day today. Hopefully, as fantastic as I had. Reason why? Because if you've been watching my last video on Wojak, then guys, you would have all been in the major profit. Because if we were to zoom out from the chart, we've broken up exactly well said that if we do go straight up, break this level, then chances are we should be able to rip the market. And that's exactly what we have done up here. So if you would have gone in anywhere around about here or you've been hodling, then congratulations, guys, because whenever you see a chart forming like this where it's curving to the upside, it is more than likely that we are going to see a pump. How much hard of a pump? Well, guys, we just don't know at all because we just need to see a pump coming in, which we had done. So we saw this gradual staircasing our way to the upside. Then, as soon as this candle formed, we just shot straight up, and a second candle had continued our way straight up to the top. And had we held this from this morning or from yesterday, you would have been up by more than 400%. Even from this level from here to there, you'll be up 162%, or you would have been up 162%. But if you've been hodling and you entered anywhere from around here, right way to the top, that's 512% move to the upside. So now you are seeing some decent volume coming in for Wojak, and I don't think that we'll be coming back down anywhere near to this level down here, because if we look to our left, that was our last recent highs, but now we completely smashed through it and we're currently well above it. Just by me zooming a bit in from our last previous highs, it looks like that we are still uh, well above that. So if you go to the current chart, or should I say the current price action for Wojak, look at this, guys. We've in fact came back down to this resistance, well, almost to this resistance. That's now support. We saw this nasty retracement because typically when we see a big engulfing candles, it's usually followed up by an engulfing bearish candle. This one here, yeah, that's quite nasty. So luckily, I was able to take 400% of my profits. So I'm looking to reinvest back into Wojak. Funny enough, though, I saw this happen today. I couldn't make the video any earlier, so I do apologize. I've actually re-entered back into this level right over here. We're pumped up, so it looks like we could be coming back down for a retest for a possible continuation to the upside. Because this move down here has taken us back down to this level. We've gone sideways for the shortest, but whenever we do see another small impulsive move to the upside, chances are we are going to see a retracement or pullback back into this level before we continue to push our way to the upside. So if we look to our left, again, we just see invalidation right over here, and we've got nothing else on the further to our left, which means once we do come back down into this level, that could be another decent area for you all to enter, so we can make that nice move back up to the upside. If this does play out, then basically anywhere from here back to the top up here, that would easily give you a 120% move to the upside. So what you're waiting for? If anything, if you caught this ride, congratulations! I'm really happy for you all. We are still going to see a crazy, humongous move coming in for Wojak. I doubt many people would actually want to get Wojak on the Ethereum network because the gas fees will eventually cripple your profits. I would imagine I would see a lot more people flooding into Solana so they can buy up Wojak on a Solana chain in order for us to be able to push our way much more further to the upside. So if you haven't gone in yet and you've missed this ride, you haven't entirely missed a wave, because now I can see the charts continuing our way back to the upside. So we're just waiting for that pullback over here. Enter that move, then your target should be up here, of course, and that will give you, like I said, anywhere between the bottom of the box right to the top. 134. But who to say that we're going to be reaching back down or coming back down to the bottom of this area? I would say anywhere around here will be a good entry, so we can continue our way back up to the upside. How high can we go? Well, I think it's likely that the first step would be coming back up to this high up here. And then once we do smash through this high up here, then we will continue our way to the upside into the discovery phase. I wouldn't be surprised if we do see an easy 100 exit for Wojak. Once the Ethereum gas fees start kicking in, would much rather buy Wojak on the Solana chain, and that will skyrocket Wojak into a crazy, dizzying height of a price. I'm still speculating that we're going to see at least a minimum 1000x for Wojak. We're still yet to see if that's going to happen during this bull season, but this is definitely one of the cards that I would definitely like to put my money on to see 1000x. So if we would have been up from down here, let's say for example, if you've been accumulating from this level to the current price, you would already be up by 329% move to the upside. So we got a little less than 9600x to go from here. I know I'm making it sound as if it's tiny. Obviously it isn't, but during this crazy bull season, that's I reckon, I reckon it's going to be, we should be able to see a bare minimum 100x from here that can still make some life-changing money for everybody else. However, if we do go crazy and we hit to what I'm speculating that 1000x, none of this is financial advice, then guys, Wojak can make you rich. Don't take my word for it, but put whatever you're willing to afford to lose on certain coins. I've been stocking up on Wojak for time now, and yes, guys, this is really working out for me. I don't think I'll be holding any meme coins after the bull run, but between now until then, I'm simply going to be loading up my bags of certain coins that I reckon's got strong fundamentals and most importantly, and even better fundamentals. So hopefully you do find that useful and informative. And if you'd like to find out how you can start trading more like this, you're more than happy. Well, I'm more than happy for you to get into my Patreon, which you can find it in my info section. Otherwise, you may just continue to subscribe and watch my videos so you can see how we have concluded that we should be able to see this crazy move to the upside. So if you've been holding all of it from down here, even more congrats to all of you, but you will be even more into your profits from here to roughly right about there. You will be easily into your just maybe around about 900%. That's already 9x from your initial investment. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. I will do a part 2 of this video for tomorrow, but for now, let's keep an eye on this zone right now, because if you do come back and touch it anywhere near this area, that'd be a good reason to enter for the price target of right at the top. Otherwise, if we do smash through there, then I'll suggest for you all to hold that position until the trade doesn't make any sense. But before we leave, guys, let's take a look at a couple of things. Firstly, the market cap has exponentially increased since yesterday, and also the liquidity has gone up completely. Guys, I can only see this project going much more higher from here. So without any further ado, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, scroll down, check out my last few videos, especially this one here on my alert video on Cheers, Chloe, Success Kid, Blackhawk Inu, and Wojak. So you may head over there to go check out my last update on Wojak to see how I concluded that this could be happening, which it had happened. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next one.